Uh, well, what's up, YouTube? Is my door locked? Is it? No. Hold on. But what's up, YouTube? This ain't gonna really be too much of a long video. Just updating you guys, man. Check this out. Everything moving smooth in life for me right now. I'm not gonna disclose what I'm doing at the moment, as if making my lifestyle, but that'll come in all due time. I will explain that in all due time. But I mean, skin still clear. About to take me some sea moss in a minute. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't eating them, but I was like the hot Cheetos. I was what's it called? Just eating the flavor off of them. For some reason, when I got home, I didn't crave the flavor. I seen the bag, and I know better. I know better. Like, out of all people, I know better. I seen the bag, I tasted it. Once I tasted it, I just couldn't stop, fiending for the flavor. But I'm just waiting for this money to come in, and we finna, stock up on these watermelons. June, July, and August are the best times to go ahead and get those watermelons. Yeah. I mean, May too, but mainly June, July, and August. Stock up, I'm telling you. I mean, you can't have them for too long, because, I mean, they can get bad. But it's like, eat as much as you can, Eat as much as you can. Because I told y'all this before, but if you don't get enough sun, like, let's say you somebody that work a job and you're not in the sun a lot, but you want to be in the sun. Well, eat more fruits and vegetables. Things that, fruits and vegetables that grow from the sun, or coconuts. You can eat coconuts and drink it, because it grow closer to the sun. And plus, anything that comes from the sun, you are technically still getting sun. It's just you getting, it's kind of like, if you think about it, like, okay, you got a regular company, you got the big multi-billion-dollar companies, right? And then you got third parties, third party companies. So it's kind of like you go into a third party, but it's like you're asking yourself, do you trust it? But it's not about if you trust it or not, because it's like, bro, it's like it grows from the sun. So if it grows from the sun, and the sun is producing it, the sun is pretty much raising it, you know, eat it. So you eating the sun, right? And you know, that will help you keep, stay in there, you know, as much as you can, until you get to a point to where you in nature, you pretty much in nature as much as you want. So that's some game for somebody that don't be in the sun a lot. Just eat fruits and vegetables. Literally, they grow from the sun. And when you eat it, it's going to energize you just like the sun. Like I said, it's like a third party. It's not like just sitting in the sun and collecting the sun, but it's like you're still absorbing the sun, because you're eating what the sun produced. You know, that's just like if you drink water and it's rolling off the rocks, you're going to get the minerals from it. So if you drink it, you're going to get the minerals from it. Same thing as if you're, well, no, I can't really say that, because that's still, no. I mean, I guess I could say it like that, but like what I'm trying to say is, you probably like, what are you talking about? I'm just trying to help people see that, just because you say that you're not getting enough sun, you still can get, sun in a third party way by just eating what the sun is producing. Other than that, I hope you've been good. I hope you've been great on your healing journey. I've been good. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm getting back on track, you know. And it's best not to beat yourself up about it. Like, it's just, I mean, just work with yourself. You feel me? Make sure you believe in yourself. Make sure we're believing in ourselves. I'm gonna be coming back on YouTube with more lectures very, very soon. It's just that break that I took, that I am taking from YouTube and from social media, is more of a personal thing. And a lot may get it, a lot may not. It's really not up for debate, and it's really not up for, I mean, you can have your opinions, of course, but I'm not really taking no offerings like, hey, can you do this or can you do that? No, like, it's like, if I know what's best for me, I'm gonna do it. So, and plus, I mean, even if you think about, like, if you go back in time, it's like, I'm not gonna say that technology and you know technology and, well, I ain't gonna say online, because online wasn't a thing. But if you say like technology and yeah, just technology, that was definitely around if you think about the pyramids. But I'm not finna get all into that. But you know, definitely was technology. But yeah, so how everybody been doing, man? I need y'all to comment and let me know how you been. Another thing, I got a download too. Like, ever since I've been on this journey that I'm taking, that I'm not finna disclose just yet, I've been getting more, like, more energy. And that energy is actually helping me, like, be more, well, I ain't gonna say help, well, it is helping me, interact with my family more. So that's a good thing. Because it's like, you can be, you know, like how I say I'm pretty much like mentally and not mentally, but no, not physically, but mentally and spiritually alone. And, I'd rather be in my own space. It ain't nothing but real love. Like, it ain't nothing like real love. Or, what is it? How can I say it? What is it called? Unconditional love. Love, real love, like real unconditional love is really like one of the keys to life. Cause it's like, when you got that person or that group of people that, genuinely love you and you genuinely love them, it's like a spark, a flame. Like, they protect you, you protect them. Like, it's just, it's a beautiful feeling. So eating healthy, make sure you're doing your yoga, exercising. Nobody's saying that you have to go heavy lift or do all these crazy calisthenics. Like, just do whatever your body, you feel like doing until you get to that point. What else? Make sure you're going in nature. Make sure you are meditating, getting alone time away from people, etc. And also, oh, I said etc. I mean, make sure you are unblocking your chakras. Yeah, make sure you're unblocking your chakras. Like, I don't really get into like which one is the most important. I just say unblock them. If you're not really into them, that's fine. But I mean, it's a lot of people that really, like, when it comes to their chakras, it's like their heart chakra is like blocked, clogged, confused, all that, bro. Because nobody like showed real love no more, bro. And it's like a lot of people think that showing financial love, that's like that's the go. Because somebody can come up to me right now and buy me a car or buy me a house or something. That's cool, like, thank you. But it's like, I also sense that some people actually, when they do favors for you, Not everybody, but when people do favors for you, they tend to use that against you. So watch out for that. Not everybody, but it's like, it has to be more to it. Like, that's not true love. That's not unconditional love. Like, financially, no. Like, just because you bought me something, just because you're putting gas in the car, that means nothing. Like, well, no. It doesn't. No, that's a part of it. But it's like, you know, it's more to it than that. But I could talk up a storm though. But I mean, I'm finna stretch, you know, and to probably hit some more push-ups and just call it, so I can get up in the rise and then write in my journal, write on my board, exercise, stretch, and get ready for the day. But look, it was good talking to you. This was like a little vibe video. You know, I'm laying back on the bed. Y'all usually don't see that. Y'all usually see me in nature. But look, like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Share this video. It's your boy, Galactic Sun Food / Dolo World / Dolo Universe / Dolo University / Nature Dolo / Healthy Lifestyle. And I'm out. Peace. No, seriously, peace.